Have you guys over 60 ever had to wake up multiple times at night just to pee? Many people think it's just a normal part of aging, but in reality, it could be a signal that your prostate is crying out for help. And if you ignore it, the consequences won't just be sleepless nights. It could lead to much more serious problems. The good news is you don't need expensive medications or gym memberships. Just a few simple daily exercises can relieve the pressure on your prostate and make it much healthier. In this video, I'll share 7 easy exercises that anyone can do. And I strongly recommend you watch until the end, because exercise number 6, the one most men skip, is actually the golden key to keeping your prostate healthy for the long run. I'm Victor Liu, and I've spent many years researching and working with men over 60 here in the US. I've seen firsthand the big difference between those who take proactive care of their prostate health and those who ignore it. On one side, you have men who maintain their confidence, sleep well, and stay energized every day. On the other side, you see men struggling with medications, endless hospital visits, and the mental fatigue that comes with it. What I'm sharing with you today isn't just theory on paper. It's drawn from real-life experience. These exercises are safe, simple, and if you stick with them, within just a few weeks, you'll notice changes in your body that might even surprise you. Before we dive into the exercises, I'd love to hear from you. Which exercise do you think will be the strongest weapon for prostate health? Kegels, walking, or yoga? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'll be reading every one of them. And if you find this topic helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to Senior Vitality Now, so we can continue this journey together toward men's health after 60. 7 detailed exercises to improve prostate health after 60. All right, gentlemen, now we're getting into the most important part. I want to carefully walk you through 7 exercises that I truly believe any man, whether you're 60, 70, or even 80, can do. And if you stick with them, you'll feel a real difference. Fewer nighttime trips to the bathroom, better sleep, and your energy as a man coming back. Don't worry, these aren't heavy gym workouts. They're light, safe for older adults, but surprisingly powerful. 1. Kegels, pelvic floor strengthening, the secret weapon for men over 60. Let's start with the most important one, Kegels. Many men have heard of them, but few really know how to do them correctly. In simple terms, Kegels strengthen the pelvic floor muscles, the hammock-like group of muscles that sit beneath the bladder and prostate, supporting your entire urinary and reproductive system. How to do it? Imagine you're urinating and try to stop the flow midstream. That little squeeze is a Kegel. Hold it for about 5 seconds, then relax for 5 seconds. Do this 10 times, rest, and repeat for 2 to 3 sets. Kegels help with bladder control, prevent leaks, and even improve bedroom performance. I had a 68-year-old patient who was embarrassed because every time he coughed or laughed, he leaked urine. After 3 months of consistent Kegels, the problem was almost completely gone. The best part? You can do Kegels anywhere, watching TV, driving, or lying down. No one will even know you're doing them, but the benefits are huge. 2. Pelvic tilts boost blood flow to the prostate. The second exercise is the pelvic tilt. It sounds simple, but it's highly effective. Lie on your back with your knees bent, feet flat on the floor, and arms at your sides. Slowly lift your hips up until your body forms a straight line from shoulders to knees. Hold for a few seconds, then lower down. Repeat 10 to 15 times. This move strengthens your lower back and boosts blood circulation to the pelvic area, which nourishes the prostate and lowers the risk of enlargement or inflammation. I often recommend it in the morning as a way to wake up your pelvic region. One of my patients, a 72-year-old man, had mild back pain and frequent nighttime urination. After 2 months of pelvic tilts, not only did his back pain ease, but his bathroom trips dropped from 4 times a night to just once or twice. He told me, "Doctor, I feel like I'm sleeping like I did in my 40s. 3. Brisk walking, nature's medicine for heart and prostate health. There's nothing simpler than walking, but brisk walking, done the right way, is one of the best exercises for men over 60. Aim for 20 to 30 minutes a day at a slightly faster pace than normal. As your heart rate rises, blood circulation improves throughout your body, including your prostate. Walking also helps with weight control, blood pressure, and heart health, all directly tied to prostate wellness. A U.S. study showed that men over 60 who brisk walked at least 5 days a week reduced their risk of prostate enlargement by up to 25% compared to less active men. That's a powerful number for such a simple habit. And the beauty is, you don't need a gym, just a sidewalk, a park, or even a mall if it's cold outside. The key is to make it a daily routine, just like brushing your teeth or drinking your morning glass of water. 4. Deep squats. Build leg strength. Ease pressure on the pelvis. Squats are familiar to most, but for men over 60, I always emphasize doing them slowly and gently. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Lower yourself as if sitting in an invisible chair, then slowly rise back up. No need to go too low. Control and steady movement matter more. Do 8 to 10 reps, rest, and repeat for 2 to 3 sets. Deep squats strengthen your thighs, glutes, and hips. When these muscles are strong, they reduce stress on your pelvic region, allowing blood to flow more freely to the prostate. Many of my patients who once struggled to squat for even 5 seconds found, after a few weeks, that they could do it easily and felt lighter and more mobile in daily life. 5. Hip stretches relieve tension in the pelvic area. Flexibility often gets overlooked, but tight hips can put extra pressure directly on the prostate. Lie on your back and pull one knee toward your chest, holding for 20 seconds. Switch sides, repeating 3 to 5 times each. For a challenge, pull both knees to your chest at once. This stretch loosens your hips and lower back, easing pressure and improving circulation. Several patients have told me that after just a few weeks of nightly hip stretches, they slept better and felt less heaviness in the lower belly. 6. Bridge exercise, the overlooked golden key. This is the one I mentioned earlier, the bridge. Many men skip it, but it's one of the best ways to strengthen your pelvic floor and support prostate health. Lie on your back with knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Slowly lift your hips up until your body forms a straight line from shoulders to knees. Hold for 5 seconds, then lower down. Do 10 reps for 2 to 3 sets. Bridges improve blood flow and pelvic floor strength, supporting both the bladder and prostate. One of my 70-year-old patients told me that after 2 months of bridges, his nighttime bathroom trips decreased, and his bladder control improved significantly. He even joked, "Doc, my wife says I'm stronger too." 7. Gentle yoga. Balance hormones, reduce stress. The last but equally important practice is gentle yoga. Many men think yoga is only for young women, but in reality, older men benefit greatly. 2 poses I recommend. Child's pose. Kneel, fold forward with arms stretched out on the floor, and hold for 30 seconds. This stretches the back, eases pelvic tension, and promotes deep relaxation. Butterfly pose. Sit with the soles of your feet together, holding them with your hands. Gently press your knees toward the floor. This opens the hips, boosts circulation, and relieves pelvic pressure. Yoga not only improves physical flexibility, but also balances hormones and reduces stress, an indirect but powerful factor for prostate health. Chronic stress raises cortisol levels, which can disrupt prostate function. Gentlemen, these 7 exercises take just 10 to 15 minutes a day. No equipment, no gym required, and they're perfectly suited for men over 60. Don't let their simplicity fool you. These small daily moves can create big changes, from better sleep and fewer nighttime bathroom trips to maintaining your vitality as a man well into your later years. As you can see, prostate health isn't something distant or complicated. With just a few minutes of exercise each day, we can take control of one of the most bothersome and even dangerous issues of aging. I truly believe that if you stay consistent, your body will reward you with clear changes: longer, deeper sleep, fewer nighttime trips to the bathroom, and a steady sense of masculine confidence that remains strong, no matter your age. Now, I want to hear from you. Out of the 7 exercises we covered today, which one feels the easiest for you to add into your daily routine? Leave a comment below. I'll be reading every single one. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button so more men can benefit from it. Share it with your friends your age, so they know we are not powerless when it comes to prostate health. Most importantly, make sure to subscribe to Senior Vitality now so you don't miss out on more simple but powerful tips to help men over 60 stay healthy, confident, and full of energy. Gentlemen, start today. Prostate health won't wait for us, but we can choose to protect it.